Hi everyone, Charlie from Charlie on Travel here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use my Airbnb coupon code to get £25 off your first booking on Airbnb. So at the moment the code gives you £25 off, but Airbnb changes this so the price can fluctuate up and down slightly depending on when you're booking. So if you click the link and it says a price slightly different to £25, that's why. So in order to get the Airbnb coupon code, you just need to go to my blog, charlieontravel.com/Airbnb-coupon-code. And it will take you to this page where you can see a picture of my Airbnb account, and then you can click the link to get the credit. So the first one here, it says £25 off for your first Airbnb booking, and just click claim this coupon code. It'll open in a new window and take you straight through to the Airbnb website. And then it says here that I've invited you to join Airbnb and you'll get £25 towards your first trip of £55 or more. So you need to sign up to Airbnb from here. You can either do this with Facebook and it will just automatically link to your Facebook email. You can continue with Google and it will automatically link to your Gmail, or you can sign up with email. So I'm going to click to sign up with email, and then I'm using this Gmail account, and I'm just going to fill in my details. Okay, once I've done that, I just click sign up. I'll accept the terms and conditions, and then it takes me through a quick setup. You should definitely add a profile photo to your account because you're much more likely to have a host accept you for booking, and update some information about yourself, but I'm going to click I'll do this later. You can also add a phone and email address and sync your contacts. Okay, the first £25 is now on the account. So you can see here in the top right, the £25 credit has been applied to your account, and this means you get that £25 taken off your first booking that you use. So let's start. Where do I want to go? Let's say that I'm planning a trip to Barcelona and I'd like my check-in to be in, let's say I'm doing it well in advance and I'd like to go in the temperate September, and I've got a midweek break planned for 2 people. Then I hit search and it's going to load up all of the Airbnb accommodation that's available in Barcelona at that time. So at the top you'll see you have the option of homes, experiences and restaurants. Homes is all of the accommodation options, experiences are activities which are run by locals, and restaurants are local restaurants that you can make reservations for on Airbnb. Okay, so let's say I'm having a look at these and I want to see all of the homes, so I just click through to homes and it will take me to a screen like this. You can choose to filter down the left side if you want to filter the price. So let's say I was looking for something a bit cheaper. You can also filter the home type. So the home type gives you 3 options. The first one is entire place, which means that you have the whole apartment to just yourself and there won't be any Airbnb host in the apartment. The private room means that you have just your own room, but the apartment is shared, so the Airbnb host will still be living in the apartment at the same time. Then a shared room usually means that you have a bed in a shared common area, so that would usually be something like a sofa bed or a room that would otherwise be accessible to the general people living in the flat. I tend to not toggle on shared rooms, but if you're looking for the very cheapest accommodation on Airbnb, then that's how you'd get it. So let's say I'm looking for a private room because I personally really enjoy meeting Airbnb hosts and getting to know them. And then it brings up some options for Barcelona. If I know I want to be in a specific area, then I can zoom in because I definitely want to be in the central area. The other thing you can do is add amenities, facilities, and various other options here. Okay, so I think this one looks quite nice. I'm just going to click through to have a look at the listing. So when I'm having a look at the listing, I'm usually going to look at all the pictures first to make sure that the apartment is a fit for what I want. I'd also read the full description about the space. and check the amenities. For me, it's really important that Wi-Fi is included, which you can see here. They have wireless internet. Then it shows you the availability calendar if you just wanted to check, and you can see down here the reviews. So it looks like they've got loads of great reviews, an average of 5 stars. So one thing I usually do is check the reviews for Wi-Fi just in case there were any complaints. Yep, internet was quick, awesome. This one says good Wi-Fi, so perfect. That's everything that I would need to know. There's also a little bit of information about the host as well. And then you can see the area where the Airbnb is located on this map here. So if I decided that I was happy to go ahead, I just click the book button. And it takes me through to the booking screen. And you can see here that the Airbnb coupon code has been applied because this trip was over £55 and it's reduced the total for your booking. Fab. The other thing that you might want to check in the listing is for instant book. So if you're in a real hurry and you don't have a lot of time, you're booking at short notice, then you can toggle on instant book. So instant book allows you to book your accommodation immediately without waiting for approval from the host. So the apartment we were just looking at, you can see here, is on the instant book options now, and you can also scroll down and look at other ones that are instant booking as well. The other really cool thing that you can do is if you're feeling a bit underconfident and you want to find somewhere that you're guaranteed to have a great Airbnb stay, then I'd really recommend Superhost. So Superhost means that the hosts have been hosting on Airbnb for a long time and they've got really good reviews, and they're just really excellent hosts, and so you can be sure that anyone who's got a Superhost status is going to be really excellent. So for example, this room here is both a Superhost and an instant book, so I'll be able to go straight ahead and book without having to check with the host on this particular listing. So I hope that's helped and that you have an amazing first trip on Airbnb using your £25 credit from me. If you have any questions, then please feel free to write them on the comment on my blog post or on the comment for this YouTube video.